What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie back again with another video. Alright, so today's video, I'm going to be combing out my hair. I recently did a wash and go. I just did not keep up with it. I'm really not trying to like revamp it or anything. I just want to comb it out and move on to some other styles. Now, I did get a couple of recommendations as far as hairstyles, like, oh, you should try this or you should try that. And it's crazy because I had already like planned in my head, like in the moment I said I'm running out of hairstyles, I'm like, dang, I know what I can do now. And I'm not really a trendy person, but you know, when it comes to hair, I gotta go along with the trend a little bit. Like, just, you know, just try it out, try different things, jump in there. Don't be afraid to try something new. So that's how I look at it. Not because it's trending and it's like, oh, I gotta get on it, I gotta get on it. No, it's because it's trending and I see it and it's like, hey, I never did that before. Let me go ahead and try it. So that trend probably already passed and it's like, oh, I want to try it now. I don't care if it passed. Like, I just want to try it because I never did it. So that's the mode I'm on. It is a lot of curls. I want to wash it, but not as of yet. Like, I want to try to get through probably like 2 or 3 more styles and then wash it, because when I took out my faux locks, I washed it like very thoroughly. I just want to just let my hair breathe a little bit, like let it get dirty a little bit and then finally do a wash, deep condition, you know, all that great stuff. So I'm just gonna comb out this bad boy. I mean, it really would make it easier if I wash it and it's fully wet and just comb all of this out. But if you do not know me and you have not been watching my videos, you might want to go back a little bit and see how I wash my hair. It is a process, okay? But for the most part, this is going to be more of a time lapse because your girl is watching YouTube videos, and I figured, hey, this is the perfect time for you guys to see me and my natural setting of what I would do on a normal basis of combing out my hair. So rather than me just sitting in front of the camera and just showing you step by step how I comb out my hair, let's chill. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment down below any hairstyles that you think that my hair is capable of. Don't give me no crazy, you know, hairstyle that I gotta like flat iron, and this is natural, baby, natural, okay? So comment down below some hairstyles that you would like for me to try. Like I said, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video and let's get into it. Oh, so I just wanted to add that I bought some picks. I got it from Walmart. It's probably like $1 and some change. And it comes with 3 in there, as you can see. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to use this as I go along. Sometimes I'll do espresso with the same 2 other done combing out my hair. I just put it in these big old dookie braids. And I think later on in the week or so, I'm just gonna wear it as an afro. Like, I'm really rocking this afro right now. And my big thing is I am running out of hairstyles. Like, I have some ideas that was recommended to me, like I mentioned earlier, and I'm gonna go ahead and try them. But in other words, your girl needs some hairstyles. So please, 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 please tag me on Instagram. I don't know, send me whatever. Comment down below some hairstyles that you would like for me to try. The amount of hair that came out when I was combing my hair. Like, I watch a lot of, okay, I don't make me lie to you. But I came across one wash and go video where they mentioned you lose a lot of hair when you have a wash and go and stuff. And I feel like I didn't really lose that much. But then again, I didn't have it in for that long. And it didn't hurt at all. The product is still there. My hair was very, very oily in a way. You can't see the residue really, but it was very soft. Like, once I started spraying it with a lot of water, it was very, very soft. And then all I had to do was just focus on the ends and spreading those tight curls apart. And like I said, I don't really know too much about everyone else's hair, but I can tell you about mine. So hopefully you guys have any hair that's like, if your hair is similar to mine, you kind of relate, comment down below. But I feel like my hair is doing what I set out to do. Like, I don't care for the dyes, length check, or any of that stuff right now. My focus is on growing my hair. I really want color in my hair. I really do want to check my real length, but my focus is growing it and understanding my hair, so that way when I do want to dye my hair, I know how to revert back to its natural state. Like, all the products that work with my hair, it's just know your hair, respect your hair, like follow what it wants, not the trend. Now, by all means, go ahead, have fun with your hair. I don't do it. Like, I love to see it. I love to see it. But for me, I just, plain Jane over here, I'm just trying to get some length. I'm trying to, you see this? I'm trying to double that. It need to be out here. You feel me? I need to be pulling my hair like out here. Like, that's what I want. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that it's so short, but like I said, give me some hairstyles. Give me some ideas, tag me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. All that information is in the description down below. Be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for post notifications for whenever I do upload a video. You'll be notified right away. And that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Suzie is out of here.